Because I get to play around, you know, like ma-explore ko kung ano pang kaya kong gawin, and gusto ko rin, namimiss ko na rin yung drama talaga. Because I get to play around, you know, like ma-explore ko kung ano pang kaya kong gawin, and gusto ko rin, namimiss ko na rin yung drama talaga, very caricature drama or like ano. So I'm really excited, and ibang-iba naman. Ang boring kasi if you just do one role at the time lang, yung isang role lang na nanay or mabait. Maganda din yung I get to explore ano pang kaya kong gawin.
Paano magsi-showdown kay Jenny Aiko? Kasi
yeah,
talagang...
showdown tayo. And it's gonna be like, hindi lang sampalan. Ibang-ibang away talaga. Level up. Pwede, basta, abangan nyo.
Gano'n ka-level up yun?
Well, basta, it's gonna be a surprise. So you better fasten your seatbelt.
So ito yung pinakatodong kontrabida na ginawa mo?
Yes, this is the pinakatodong kontrabida na nagawa ko. Kasi like, the fake life, medyo hindi naman siya kontrabida eh. Confused person lang siya eh. Like, hindi niya alam talaga kung anong tama o mali. And dami naman ganong tao. So, ito, talagang gusto niya mang-asar. Alam mo yung gusto na niya mang-irita. Yung parang sobra talaga siyang gray na character. And I'm really embracing it. And it's a challenge for me kasi syempre na-conscious ka nung una, lalakasan mo yung boses mo, galit ka, iba ka. So naninibago ako and I love it. I want challenge, I want something new.
Beauty,
Yeah, okay lang. Okay lang talaga. I did one with GMA. It was called Loving Miss Bridget with Kelvin Miranda, and it really did well. I mean, so okay lang sa akin. It really depends on the story too. Ayoko naman yung May December na ano na. Oo, gusto ko naman yung kung ako yung matanda, yung medyo
hindi masyadong malayo.
Yeah, hindi masyadong malayo sa reality. And of course, yung gusto mo rin na, sana ako din. Yung sana ganyan din yung mangyari sa akin. Yung mga ganong story. Good vibes and happy vibes. No, nangyari kasi sa akin before, when I got pregnant, paakyat na yung career ko noon eh, and then I got pregnant. So, nung pag-buntis ko, naging challenge ko talaga na I want to prove everyone na even if you're happily married and you have if you have a kid, I can still go back and have a good career. And which is, thank God, I think I proved it to everyone na, I mean, I'm here, I'm still doing what I love, and I'm happily married, and I have a beautiful daughter waiting for me at home. So it was a challenge to prove everyone that I can still balance my life. Well, I think you should answer that question, not me. Ano, do you feel secure about me? Wala, I mean, of course, I mean, I just go home and wala naman akong ibang ginagawa kundi mag-artista lang and then uwi sa bahay. And there's no reason to be insecure or to think about anything kasi wala naman akong tinatago. I mean, tagal-tagal ko na sa business, wala kayong makukuhang chismis sa akin. Sabi, nung in-interview nga ako ni Tony, sabi ko, talaga bang gusto mo ko i-interview? Wala namang chismis sa buhay ko. Saya hindi. Gusto ko makita ng mga tao kung gaano ka nakakatawa at gaano ka totoong tao. Kasi nung gusto niya akong interview, sabi ko na, wala akong tabloid, Tony. Ano pa gusto mong pag-usapan sa akin? So, yeah, I mean, wala akong binibigay ng problema because ayoko rin ng problema ng mga katanda yun.
Siguro yung secret sa maayos na marriage, yun yung may inspire mo yung maraming couple sa showbiz. Yung tahimik na married life.
Yeah, tahimik lang. Simple lang kami eh.